What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game, and today is Sunday, my chill day, but I decided to put this work in, right? Now, listen, this is episode 20. Episode 20. Bro, I've been putting that work in every day, going hard, recording. Hopefully, you guys are tapping in. Hopefully, you guys are liking what you see. I hope you are, all right? But this is episode 20. I'm going to tap in. I'm going to give y'all some game. So just pay attention, get focused, get your pen, get your notepad ready. Let's go. All right, guys. So like I said, man, I got some game. All right. So let's tap in. We're going to dive right in. All right. Now, I had a young man ask me, he said, OG, that's what they say out here in Philly. Old head, OG. He said, how you get so many clients, man? I said, I see you all over the city. And I told him straight up, young buck, you gotta be willing to get up, go hard, and be consistent. And also, you can be motivated, but you gotta be disciplined. All right? You gotta be disciplined. And what I mean is, first of all, you gotta know how to talk to these people professionally. Gotta know how to talk to them. I know I be with my slang. Once I get out here, totally different person, all right? I'm a totally different person because I know how to talk to people, all right? So you gotta know how to talk to people. That's first things first, all right? You wanna build it up, learn how to talk to people, be professional, all right? I keep me a nice little collar shirt with the logo or a regular crew shirt with the logo all the time. Good khakis, good boots, good hiking boots. I got my Carhartts in the back. They're a little too heavy, but nice little hiking boots. You know, you ain't gotta tuck your shirt in, but just be professional, all right? That's first things first, and that's just me. I like to be professional. I like to look good, even when I'm cutting grass. All right, that's a big B right there. He left. All right, I like to be professional, but for one, please do not, I repeat, do not just be leaving your door hanger or your flyer or whatever you got in people's doors. That's littering. You trespassing and you littering. Come on, brother. All right? So no littering, guys. That's what we calling it. No littering. Know what you're going to do? You're going to knock on that door. Hey, how you doing? My name is Scott. I'm in the area cutting grass. You might not even be in the area, but just I'm in the area cutting grass today. I see your yard needs to be cut. Just like to know if you need your grass cut. Give her a little discount. It's her first time working with you. See if you can get her on schedule. See if you can lock her in, okay? And then after that, keep knocking. Hit the whole block. You see a yard cut, skip it. Skip it, all right? But attack a block. I'm in Philly, so when I see a block, we got about 80 houses on one side, 80 houses on the other side, and you can just walk the whole damn neighborhood. Tear up that whole neighborhood. Sometimes that's all you need. So you might spend one day on one block and make like 300. Easy. Especially if they need front and back. Especially if they need front and back. So knock on that door. Introduce yourself. Okay? You gotta introduce yourself. Let them know who you are. Don't just leave it and then leave a phone number. Chances are they're not gonna get back to you. I promise. Chances are they're not. But they will remember that knock on the door, and if they say no, not this time, but they got your card and it need cut, they might not got the money right now. They're gonna call you. All right? So knocking on doors is so important. Everybody get caught up with the online game. I get it, but you gotta touch the people. I repeat, you gotta touch the people. All right? Touch the people, knock on them doors, be professional, look good. I'm telling you, it's gonna work. You knock on 20 doors, you're gonna get at least 10 yes. Yes, please. You got a number? That was a good job. Can I give my aunt your number? She lives up the street. Hey, my neighbor across the street said he wants you to cut his. Like, that's how it go. That's how it goes, all right? I promise you, that's how it go. Okay, next, I wanna talk about Next Door Neighbors app, all right? That's a really good app, guys. Really good app. You just gotta know how to use it, and I'm gonna tell you. All right. First things first. Make sure you fill your profile out right. That's common sense. Put the name of your company, your name, whatever. All right. If you're already cutting yards, take some before and after pictures. Post them up. Put your name, your number, your email, whatever. Just post it up. You're going to get some comments. You might not. All right? But what you need to do is sponsor a neighborhood. Okay? It's $30 for 30 days. I promise you. They're going to run so much traffic to your phone and to your page that $30 is not going to be nothing. You could literally just be investing that 30 every month just to run in about 500. Right? It makes sense. I'm telling you, I did it. I got like my first 20 out. I was at 20 customers so fast from next door neighbors at it don't make no sense. I will also see other lawn care guys. You can put in lawn care service, and you'll see other guys that's doing what you're doing. You can go into their comments and steal their people. You can go into their comments and just literally steal their clients because they're not responding back. Right? I did it. Listen, I did it. Hey, how much do you charge? Hey, look, I hit them up. Hey, I'm cutting grass, such and such. If you don't get back with you, here go my number. I charge this. Boom. They right at you. I promise. You gotta know how to work these apps. You got Lawn Starter. You can sign up for Lawn Starter. You can Google that and figure out how to work that. But Lawn Starter, it's another one. Lawn Pal. You can just Google lawn care apps or lawn care service apps. I don't know, something like that, and they gonna all pop up. But I'm telling you, knocking on doors, next door neighbor app is my go-to. If I had to really give it to you guys like that, that's my go-to. I'm not paying nobody thousands and hundreds of dollars like to run me clients. I'm not doing that. But I will invest into some type of marketing and promotion that's going to run clients to me. Other than that, I figure it out. Do not pay nobody no $100 and $200 to run you leads and all of that. Don't do it. That's goofy. It's top level goofy. All right. Especially when the real game is getting out here and knocking on these doors every day. You're going to win. I promise. But you gotta be disciplined and you just gotta want it. If you don't want it, then you're not gonna get it. That's it. And here's another thing. Here's really where I killed it at. Google Ads. Running a Google Ads page. Run your business page. Right now, I think it's in Google Maps. And you can go to, settings and go to business profile and set your business profile up and run like that. Okay, I spent maybe about $100 running ads my first season. I'm on my third season and my phone still ring on my Google page to this day. My phone ring, they hit me up. You get the 5-star reviews. That's another thing. You send the reviews once you're done cutting the grass. They leave you a review that boosts you up. I'm gonna show you guys too, but it boosts you up. Almost forgot about that, guys. Google Ads. Listen, it's a business. I know you probably like, oh, I can't afford it. You can if you're doing a bunch of other extra stuff. You just gotta be disciplined, all right? Because check it out. You can run a $3 a day ad, but let's say you're making about $500 a week. It's nothing, all right? So the ads is dope too. So I'm gonna say knocking on doors and ads will have you through the roof, especially if you know what you're doing. Okay? Especially if you know what you're doing. All right? So I almost forgot about that. Run them ads, because I haven't ran them in so long, but I be going to my page and I still get about 8,000 views and 100 phone calls. It be nuts. I don't even really answer like that because I know they're gonna leave an email and I answer the email because I be out here working. There's really no time to really be answering. But I forgot about that. Set that Google page up. It's a Google business page or business profile. I'll show you guys, but set that up. All right, guys. So this is my business page on Google. Okay, this is where I run my ads through this channel right here. As you can see, I have 7 new reviews. So I'm gonna definitely make sure I read all of them and respond back to those people. All right, guys, so as you can see, We got about 8,000 views, 1,000 interactions, and almost 2,000 search. It's not bad. This is a uh, Google business profile. You can actually go into Google Maps and make this page. It's free. All you gotta do is just have an address. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got about almost 80, about 8,000 people viewed my business profile. Almost about 2,000 searches. It's not bad, and that's from March to August. That's from March to August. Okay. Let's see what else we got going on here. Okay. So we got, these are all the searches right here. So you got 273 people. Basically, what it is search terms that showed your business profile in the search results. So I think it's pretty cool that, my business popped up in all of these categories right here. You see, some people looked up Jay's Lawn Care. Some people looked up Big J, lawn mowing service, Sunday lawn care in the Northeast, lawn cutting service in the Northeast, residential lawn mowing service. All these were searched, and my my profile popped up. So it just goes to show you guys the power of Google. Okay, it's pretty dope. Jay's Lawn Care. 53 times somebody looked up Jay's Lawn Care and got me. So that's not bad. It's not bad, man. What's next? This is people viewed your business profile. So about 8,000. Google search, mobile Google search desktop, Google Maps desktop. Yeah. Got almost about 340 calls, about almost 40 messages. 5 hours and 11 minutes average time of response. I can try to get a little better. Almost about 700 website clicks. So it's not bad, man. So yes, I recommend Google Ads. I recommend setting up a business profile and getting